What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Today I'm demo riding this 2019 Indian Scout. This is my first time on the regular Indian Scout. You all know I have the Bobber. The only thing that kind of sucks for this demo ride is they made it feel like a Bobber. I got drag bars and the 1901 shield, which is bitchin'. The only thing is I don't have the side-end mirrors, which sucks because these mirrors are terrible. So if you're looking at doing some like drag bars on your Scout, I'd recommend just getting the regular Bobber mirrors and Bobber handlebars, and you're going to be feeling the exact same. But of course, you know, just go sit on a Bobber and you can see if you like the mirrors. But for me, I'm getting a really good shot of my biceps, and you know, that's always what you want while you're riding. It's very safe. Ugh, it does have this harder seat too. It's got this I think they call it the drag style seat or something like that. I'll get a good shot for you guys. So like always, if you don't know, the Indian Scout is a 69 cubic inch 1133 cc V-twin liquid cooled motor with 100 horsepower and roughly, I think, 72 pounds of torque. There you go. I got the list right here in front of me. Now this one does have a performance intake and stage 1 exhaust, so it's nowhere near as loud as my Bobber with the normal slip-ons, and just a good pair of slip-ons will really open these things up. The pair that Open Roader put on his Scout, man, they sound really good and they look really good. They keep the same style look but really open it up. So, I mean, it's fun. I love this color. This new blue is just gorgeous. And I've been having so much fun doing these demo rides that I can't even remember the name of the color. I'm trying to look. Let's see if we can put Deep Water Metallic. There we go. Deep Water Metallic. It's a gorgeous color, you guys. Hopefully you can see it. The sun's hitting it just right. Where I park at the demo ride, there's shade, so I might not be able to get a good shot of it just in a normal picture. Of course, I'm blocking out the sun right now, but you know. Let me know if you guys, like, I know I've said this on the other ones, but maybe you haven't seen it. So do you guys do demo rides? Do you like to do demo rides? Is it actually a way for you to go check out bikes? You know, I'm curious. Like, anytime anybody watches one of my videos, are you looking for more information on the Scout, or the Scout 60, the Scout Bobber? I'm gonna put up a video for the 60. I got to ride it, but I didn't get a clear video, so I'm gonna have to redo that one. Oh, that sounds good. It does sound pretty good. Definitely way better than stock. Those pea shooters, man. Giant ass cannons with no boom. They take away the boom. Well, guys, I'm gonna get out of here and ride some more motorcycles. So, like always, stay safe and stay classy.